Hi, I'm John Sangiovanni, Coordinator of Elementary Mathematics, and this is Math in Minutes. In this segment, we'll take a look at comparing fractions and why the size of the whole really matters. We know 1/2 to be greater than 1/4 when we're comparing the same size wholes. But what if the wholes aren't the same size? What if this is our half? Is 1/2 still greater than 1/4? Well, clearly it's not, because the size of the whole has changed. Essentially, when we're comparing fractions, it's essential to understand that we have to compare the same size whole. We can prove this with other models. Let's take a look. We can use pattern blocks to show that the size of the whole matters when comparing fractions. In this case, the hexagon is one whole. A red trapezoid is 1/2 of a hexagon, and a blue rhombus is 1/3. If the whole is one hexagon, we can see that 1/2 is greater than 1/3. But what if the whole is more? What if the whole is 3 hexagons? In this case, 1/3 of this whole is much greater than 1/2 of this whole. When comparing fractions, we have to be sure to compare the same size wholes. We can prove these ideas to be true using other models. Let's take a look with Cuisenaire rods. This is 1/2, and this is 2/3. When we compare 2/3 and 1/2 using the same whole, we can see that 2/3 is greater than 1/2. But if we change the size of the whole, with that now being the whole, 1/2 is now greater than 2/3. This has been a look at why the size of the whole matters when we compare fractions. See you next time on Math in Minutes.